Hello, MALET teammates. My name is Omar Lambi, and this video is just to tell you a little bit about myself. Uh, Originally, I'm from Jamaica, and if you know anything about Jamaica, it is the third largest island in the Greater Antilles and in the Caribbean, and that's after Cuba and Hispaniola. And it has the seventh largest natural harbor in the world. And of course, I have pictures of things that remind me of Jamaica here, Bob Marley, and of course the famous jerk chicken, which is really spicy. Now, presently, I live in Yonkers, New York. That's where I've been living since I migrated to the United States. And Yonkers is located along the Hudson River. It is the fourth largest city in Westchester County, and it serves basically as a gateway between New York City and the Hudson Valley. Now, things that I do in my hobby, or usually do before the COVID pandemic, I did a lot of poetry writing and reading, especially up at Bean Runner Cafe in Peekskill. I enjoy baking, mostly banana bread and lasagna and meatloaf. And I know how to make a few curry dishes, so cooking is something that I also enjoy doing. And professional background, last year, November that is, I started working for New York City's Administration for Children's Services as a youth development specialist at Horizon Detention Center in the Bronx. Um, and as a youth development specialist, I work primarily with youth. Some days may be challenging, but at the end of the day, I feel blessed to know that I was able to make a positive impact on the youth. Now, technically speaking, I actually started working in the facility in December, on December 31st of last year, but I started the training in November of last year, and I've been doing it ever since then. So I look forward to continue to doing that for a period of time. Uh, Now, another professional background of mine is that prior to migrating to the US, I worked in technology in K to 12 schools in Jamaica, and in that role, I assisted teachers with, um, just how to infuse their lessons with technology for teaching and assessment purposes. And as a result of that, my professional interest really revolves around working in instructional technology in a K to 12 setting, um, or at a college level. And then I also look forward to starting the doctoral program in education after I've completed the MALET program, because eventually I'm hoping to go on to doing research and probably some college level teaching for the most part. And I look forward to learning and sharing and growing intellectually with you in this course. And I wish you all the best for the semester ahead, and good luck. Thank you for watching my presentation.